Bruce Naylor, your FrugalTech. Wanted to talk to you about a new service coming from Google called Google Voice. Now look, it's no secret that a lot of us have lots of phones that we have to deal with every day. We have a work phone, we got our cell phones, we have our home phone, and all these have their own numbers. I use Skype. Wouldn't it be cool if you just had one phone number to give everybody, and a phone system would be smart enough to route those calls from your contacts to the appropriate phone? Well, this is part of this service that's going to be offered for free from Google called Google Voice. So what is Google Voice? Well, it's a reworking of Google Grand Central, and it is a web-hosted, I almost want to use the term PBX. And if you're not familiar with what PBX is, it's a phone system. And it's a great way to organize all the phone numbers in your life for making and receiving calls, handling things like voicemail, text messaging, all that with one number. So it's absolutely going to be free, and it'll let you have all this control over all the various phone numbers that you have, and includes things like call forwarding, voicemail, call recording, all for free. So how does it work? Well, the first thing you'll do is when this is ready to go is you'll create your Google phone number. And once you do that, then you can start assigning your contacts to the various phone numbers for routing purposes. You can use any phone, call your Google phone number. Believe you'll press the number 2, and then if you have making an outbound call anywhere in the United States for free, just dial that number and off you go. So that's a very, very cool feature. So it's pretty much a basic to set this thing up. And as I said, you can forward your calls up to 6 other phone lines, and then again make those free text messages to any U.S.-based phones, take voicemail messages. Now these voicemail messages can be transcribed and sent to you via email. Now the accuracy is about 90% on there, but that's still for free. You can't really beat it. And you can also make calls using the Google Gmail phone directory. There's also a 411 feature on there as well for getting phone numbers and so forth. So it can just transcribe your voicemail, and it does all these wonderful things. Look, it's a great way, and I see this as being very, very useful, for a small business guy in that situation. You can't afford a sophisticated phone system, but needs something maybe more robust than what, say, Vonage has got to offer, Skype or somebody like that. So just a quick rundown on the features of Google Voice. Call screening, so that can announce and screen your callers, can listen in, and that means you can actually listen to the call before you accept the call. You can block calls on unwanted and keep your unwanted callers at bay. Text messaging, you can place calls in the U.S. anywhere for free. You can take calls, you can answer on any of your phones. You can route the phone calls because the phone will ring based on who is calling. You can forward phones and add phones that you decide which will ring. Voicemail transcripts, and that'll read what your voicemail says. You can listen to your voicemail, check online or from your phone. You can receive notifications via email or text message. Personalize your greeting and share your voicemail if you like. You can even forward your voicemails as well. Some other cool features: conference calling, call recording, call switching allows you to switch phones even during a call. A mobile site that allows you to view your inbox from your mobile phone. The 411 directory assistance from Google, and you can manage your groups and so forth. So look, I see this as being a wonderful tool for a small business guy or a busy family. I think it's going to be great. Google generally does a real good job of this sort of thing. I highly recommend you look into it. Now, it's not quite ready to go. Right now, they're in the place of just now setting you up to accept invitation to it and doing some last-minute work behind the scenes. But once this thing is ready to go, I think people are going to absolutely love this free service from Google. Check it out, Google Voice. I'm Bruce Naylor, your FrugalTech. And remember, if it's in your shop, not making you money or saving you money, get it out of there. I'll talk to you later.